Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. My name is Mr. Ru and today we are going to learn something really fun. We are going to learn about idioms. Now, who can tell me what is an idiom? An idiom is a phrase or expression where the words together have a different meaning from the individual literal meaning. For example, if I say it's raining cats and dogs, are cats and dogs actually falling from the sky? No, it just means it's raining very heavily. Today, we are going to learn 3 idioms that all come from the world of technology. Things like buttons, batteries, and light bulbs. Things you use every day. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, let's start with our first idiom. Look at this. What is this? It's a keyboard. And what is a keyboard covered in? Buttons. We push buttons every day, right? On your phone, in the elevator, on your computer. Now, our idiom is to push someone's buttons. Push someone's buttons. Can everyone say it with me? Push someone's buttons. Good. Now, what does this mean? It does not mean you walk up to someone and start pressing buttons on them. To push someone's buttons means to do or say things that make someone annoyed or angry. You know exactly what will upset them, and you do it, maybe on purpose. For example, my little brother always pushes my buttons. He takes my phone and hides it. He knows it makes me angry. Can you think of someone who pushes your buttons? Maybe a friend, maybe a classmate, a roommate. I can see some of you are thinking of someone right now. Let's look at another example. The customer kept complaining about small things. She really pushed my buttons, but I stayed professional. So remember, push someone's buttons means to make someone annoyed or angry, usually because you know exactly what upsets them. All right, let's move to idiom number 2. Look at what I have here. What do you see? Batteries and a charger. Now, when your phone battery is at 1%, what do? You recharge, right? You plug it in and charge it back up to 100%. Once our second idiom is to recharge your batteries. To recharge your batteries. Recharge your batteries. Say it with me. Recharge your batteries. Good. Now, this is not about actual batteries. To recharge your batteries means to rest and relax so that you feel strong and full of energy again. Just like a phone, when you feel tired and exhausted, you need to recharge. For example, I studied very hard for 3 weeks. This weekend, I need to recharge my batteries. maybe sleep in, watch a movie, and eat some good food. I think many of you understand this feeling, yes? University life is busy. Sometimes you just need to recharge your batteries. One more example. After a long project at work, my team took a short holiday to recharge our batteries before the next deadline. Notice you can say my batteries or our batteries. It works for one person or a group. So, recharge your batteries means to rest and get your energy back. All right, last idiom, number 3. A light bulb. Now, think about cartoons. In cartoons, when a character has a great idea, what appears above their head? A light bulb. The lights turn on. It means I've got it. I understand now. Our idiom is to have a light bulb moment. Have a light bulb moment. Together, have a light bulb moment. Good. To have a light bulb moment means to suddenly understand something or suddenly have a great idea. The light switches on in your brain. For example, I was struggling with my math homework for 1 hour. Then suddenly, I had a light bulb moment and I understood how to solve it. Has that ever happened to you? You're confused, 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 and then suddenly the light goes on. Everything makes sense. That is a light bulb moment. Another example. During the meeting, nobody knew how to fix the problem. Then Lisa had a light bulb moment and she suggested a brilliant solution. So, have a light bulb moment means to suddenly understand or get a great idea. Excellent. Now, let's quickly review our 3 technology idioms from today. Number 1, push someone's buttons. What does it mean? It means to make someone annoyed or angry. Number 2, recharge your batteries. What does it mean? It means to rest and get your energy back. Number 3, have a light bulb moment. What does it mean? It means to suddenly understand something or have a great idea. Now, here is a fun challenge. Can you use all 3 in one story? Let me try. My classmate kept pushing my buttons during the group project. I was so frustrated and tired. I went home to recharge my batteries. The next morning, I had a light bulb moment. I knew exactly how to solve our problem. See, 3 idioms, 1 story. I want you to try this too. After class, write a short story, 3 or 4 sentences using all three idioms. Be creative and have fun with it. Thank you so much for today's class. You did a wonderful job. See you next time.